Hey there, my name's Luke. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Dr. Hana's Nasopure, the most comfortable nasal wash in the world. To start, you're going to want to take your Nasopure bottle and fill it with lukewarm water. We recommend using distilled, filtered, boiled, or bottled water. Once you've done that, unscrew the cap and take your salt packet. One salt packet will create an isotonic solution, which means as salty as the body. This is a milder solution, and we recommend this to people who are using Nasopure for the first time. 2 salt packets will create a hypertonic solution, which means saltier than the body. This is a stronger and more effective solution. We recommend this to people who are very congested. Either way, our salt is highly buffered, so it's more comfortable than if you were to use another type of salt for washing. Once you've poured your salt in there, make sure to close the cap and screw it on and give it a good shake to help your solution dissolve. Once the solution has dissolved, go ahead and uncap the bottle and hold it in the correct position. Our bottle has these new level lines, which will help you hold the bottle in correct position. You should also want to make sure that the neck of the bottle is parallel to the ground. Once you have it in the correct position, take the cap of the bottle and make a seal with one nostril. Once you've got a seal, you're going to hold your breath and squeeze the bottle. I hold my breath so it doesn't run down the back of my throat. Make sure to have a Kleenex on hand so you can wipe your nose afterwards and blow gently, clearing the nostrils. I feel so much better. I can breathe now. Anyways, thanks for watching. That's how to use Nasopure, and happy breathing.